Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here from Amanda Jane Crafts, and in this video I thought I'd show you how to do a mesh stitch using half double crochet. Now I'm not going to start right at the beginning with this example because all you have to do is to do a chain, an odd number of stitches, and then add two. So in fact it's an odd number whichever way you count it. Now, the critical thing here, when you start, is to work into the bottom of the half double crochet that you did on the row below. So you do your two turning chain, then you're going to do your half double crochet in this stitch just here, because that gives you a nice taut edge. So half double crochet into the stitch closest to the edge, right up against it. So yarn in, yarn over, and pull through all three loops on the hook, and then you do a chain stitch. So once again here you've got to determine exactly where you're going to place your hook. Now in a lot of mesh stitches you go into the gap, but here I'm going to go into the top of the half double crochet from the row below. It's slightly to the left of this post, and a chain, and you keep doing that all the way across, so slightly to the left of the post, because that is actually the top of your half double crochet. If you look on the other side, that stitch actually comes this way. So not here, but here. As long as you're consistent, it's not completely crucial. It's just at the top. And then a chain. Keep working all the way across the row with just two stitches. I think the thing is, with a mesh tote bag, you need a bit of stretch, but you also need it to be strong. So I think this stitch gives you both options. And having smaller holes than doing a double crochet, things aren't going to slip through the little holes in your bag. So it just gives you an alternative. Now you could use this stitch to create a nice throw over vest for the beach. Whatever you decide. Summer will come around. We do know that it's coming. So when you get to the end of the row, you want to tip your work slightly towards you. That's the chain. That's the top of the half double crochet. So you're going to go into the top of that stitch like so, and just finish off, and then two chain and turn your work. So that is that row done, and when you start off on the next row, just remember you're going to go into the first stitch right next to that turning chain, just there, chain one. So that is the chain, and that is the place you're going to do your next half double crochet, slightly to the left of the stitch, so that just here. And there we have it, a really useful addition to your dictionary of stitches. So I think I'm going to be doing this is done in recycled yarn, actually, really nice recycled yarn, but it's got a little bit of nylon in it. It's wool and a tiny bit of nylon, totally recycled. Very, very useful to recycle our our yarn. Lots of places now selling recycled and organic yarn so that we're having less impact on the environment, which is great news. So that is my half double crochet mesh stitch, one variation, and it's got a bit of stretch to it. I think you're going to find this one really useful. So thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, press subscribe and the bell for notifications of upcoming videos, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Take care. Bye.